My name is Jawanda Marshall, and this is my Learning and Literacy Theory presentation. First, I will begin by explaining the difference between a learning and a literacy theory. Inquiry learning brings about the question, should teachers teach content or turn students loose to figure out things on their own? Believe it or not, there is a balance. Teachers need to let go of control and embrace the freedom, let go of content and embrace the processes, let go of avoiding discomfort and struggle and embrace them. For some content areas or some topics, the best choice may be just to teach it. Some topics cannot be taught. Students need to be learning these things through trial and error and discovery. This is where inquiry-based learning makes its peak. Technology is extremely important to inquiry learning. Inquiry learning is based on the premises that students learn through discovery. And so technology promotes and supports inquiry-based learning. Technology also promotes multimodal learning. Today, students need to become more familiar with various methods of studying, learning, and remembering new information.